Friends, first watch this short video to see what you're going to learn today.
I moved into the farmhouse last week. It was cheap, quiet, and miles from anyone. The mirrors were old, fogged, and beautiful. I liked them. But the first night, while brushing my teeth, I saw a man standing behind me in the reflection. When I turned around, nothing. I blamed the light. The next night, it was a woman. Then a child. Every time, a new face, watching, silent. I even tried covering the mirrors, but by morning, the sheets were folded neatly on the floor. Last night, I smashed one in panic. Glass everywhere. But in the shards, they all looked back, dozens of them, smiling. I don't look in mirrors anymore, but they still find ways to stare.
How was the video? Fun, right? But this is just the beginning. To make viral videos like this, you don't need a studio, an expensive mic, or editing skills. You only need one smart trick. I found this trick for you so you can create cinematic videos without wasting time or money. Now you must be wondering, how do such simple videos go viral? The answer is the topic and storytelling. So I've given a secret prompt in the description. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate next-level viral horror topics for you. Choose any topic you like. Suppose the second topic looks interesting. Just type 2. Then ChatGPT will ask for video duration. I'll choose 1 minute for now. But if you're making long videos, you can choose 5 to 10 minutes. And if you want to add emotional storytelling, then write first person. That means the script will sound like the story happened to you. This connects with viewers and keeps them watching till the end. When people watch full videos, YouTube boosts them more. Once the script is generated, copy the prompt from the description again and paste it into ChatGPT with the script. Then you will get powerful image prompts. Now let's create a realistic and completely free AI voice. When you open the AI Studio homepage, select the single speaker option. Choose a voice, paste your script, and run it. Many people ask, is AI voice monetizable? Here's the simple rule. YouTube doesn't monetize robotic voices. But this AI voice sounds real and human, so why worry? Just listen.
Moved into the farmhouse last week. It was cheap, quiet, and miles from anyone. The mirrors were old, fogged, and beautiful.
Amazing and realistic, right? Now the voice is ready, but there's an important point. If you want the same character in every clip, the same face and same look, first create images, then make the video from those images. This keeps the audience interested till the end and increases watch time. So just copy the image prompt we made and use it in AI Studio with the same settings I used. After downloading the image, remember, don't use this model again because it does not generate consistent characters. So go back to the home page and select Nano Banana, upload the image you downloaded and paste the first scene prompt we created. Paste the prompt here. That's it. Our first scene is ready. Keep using the prompts for each scene with the latest image and your whole process will be finished before you know it. To match the audio perfectly with the video, I also generated a few extra images. Sometimes the computer makes mistakes and the image doesn't match the scene properly. If this happens to you, also generate extra images using Nano Banana. Then your viewers will easily understand the visuals and stay interested till the end. All images are ready. Now it's time to turn them into a high-quality video. For this, we will use VO3 because the results are amazing. But there's one issue. This tool gives only limited credits. Your work may stop once credits are finished. But don't worry, here is a secret trick. When credits end, just create a new Gmail account, log in, and you'll get full credits again. Before generating a video, always check the settings. Select Output 1 Keep Vivo 3 Fast Selected. Now click Frame to Video, upload your image, and add a simple prompt that matches the action. Wait a few seconds. The video is ready. Do this for all your images. For editing, CapCut is the best app. It's so easy that even kids can use it, and still you can edit like a professional. Here's a smart trick. When you start editing, first import your generated audio. Then add your video clips and adjust them so they perfectly match the audio timing. After matching the clips, add some animations and transitions, add horror background music. This will make the video more engaging. Finally, your whole video is ready. Your video is now fully prepared to shake the YouTube algorithm. But one thing is still missing, a powerful thumbnail. That tiny image can boost your views like crazy. It should make viewers think, wow, what is this? I must click. That's why I created a ready-to-use script. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Then enter your thumbnail text, for example, related to your video topic. In a few seconds, you'll get a powerful thumbnail prompt. Paste that into AI Studio, and boom! An attractive thumbnail is ready. But remember, depending only on thumbnails is a silent mistake most creators make. They later ask, why didn't my video go viral? If the video doesn't appear in search or suggestions, how will it get views? You must learn the right trick for titles and tags. The trick that activates the YouTube algorithm and can make your video viral within 3-4 weeks. If you want me to make a full dedicated video on this topic with all details, just comment, secret trick. Okay, I'm leaving now. Goodbye.